हर घर में फिरनी बनती है। लेट्स फिरनी नाउ। Now for this, I've got milk. Now you will find recipes where people are using condensed milk as well, but I'm saying that I am trying to use things which are always there in your house, and I think phirni is an amazing dessert for almost everything. It's easy to make. You want to do slightly or more where you can use things like jaggery powder as well, or you can even use something like a sugar free as well. तो काफ़ी आसानी से अच्छी तरह बन सकती है. So here what I've got, I'm lightly warming up the milk now. So I've got my milk, उसको मैं हल्का सा put it on a low thing, and here what I've done is I've got about 30 to 40 grams of basmati rice, which were actually soaked, and then I've kind of dried them out, and I'm going to be grinding them right here. Now basically the whole action of phirni happens when the starch of the rice thickens, and that's what it actually makes the milk nice and thick. So the rice, literally the ground rice or the ground powder literally makes it nice and thick. I'm going to be flavoring it with saffron. So the rice, as it cooks with the milk, it will thicken it to get a beautiful consistency. And when you have like a coating the back of the spoon consistency, pour it into a nice dish and then set it. Lovely. So I've ground my nice soaked rice in here to a lovely powder, okay? And we're going to be cooking this along with this. So you want a little bit of bits and pieces of cooked rice. That's the whole vibe, the whole texture. Now I've got my milk here. उबलने आ रहा है. इसमें हम थोड़ी सी इलायची पाउडर डालते हैं, nice big pinch into this. I'm also adding a little bit of saffron, some saffron as well into this. So literally a saffron and dry fruit की फिरनी होगी. बहुत ही मज़ा आएगा इसमें. Nice. I'm using a really nice good Kashmiri saffron. Saffron is one of the most glorious, the most expensive spice in the world. So be careful. Also be careful where you buy your saffron from, because आजकल saffron के बहुत ही ज़्यादा कुछ scam हो रहे हैं, if you know what I mean. So now this is coming into a nice thing. Now always remember, the sugar is added towards the end. Why? Because अगर आप sugar को अभी डालोगे, क्या होगा? It starts caramelizing and then your color is going to change, okay? So I've got my thing which has come to a lovely thing. I'm going to be adding my rice into this. Beautiful. And अभी हम इसको slowly धीमी आंच पे पकाएंगे, बिल्कुल प्यार से. Nice. So ये हम be careful at this stage that you are stirring it very well, because once the rice starts cooking, the thickening will start in the next couple of minutes. Over here, I've got some cashew nuts, I've got some almonds, I've got some pistas, and I've got these lovely rose petals for your garnish. So at this point, when you could see it's nicely getting thick, I'm going to be adding about a cup of sugar in this, okay? Beautiful. Now we're going to give this a nice mix, and then simply we're going to pour it into our bowls which I have right here, and then we're going to garnish it once it's nice and chilled. Beautiful. Amazing, guys, amazing. You know what I like to put in my dessert? I'm not lying to you guys. मैं क्या हर dessert में मैं बिल्कुल एक बूंद नमक डालता हूँ मैं. Okay? नमक क्या होता है? It's hydroscopic in nature. It brings the flavor out. तो जो भी जितना फ्लेवर है, अगर आप थोड़ी सी नमक डालोगे ना, जो उसका फ्लेवर है ना, बिल्कुल 2x हो जाएगा वो. परफेक्ट. तो ये हमारी फिरनी भी रेडी हो गई. फैंटास्टिक हो. अभी हम इसे सेट कर देंगे, थोड़ा सा ठंडा कर लेंगे. And as you can see, it's getting nice and thick. And we were talking about the coating the spoon consistency, but it's a little more than that. Now if I dip in there, it literally coats the spoon, yeah, just like that. So it's set now, it's almost set. This is exactly what we are looking for. Okay, beautiful. And the phirni is nice, it's got nice थोड़े से चावल के pieces है, good feeling. Next, अभी हम इसे इसमें आप बोल सकते हो, अगर आप मार्केट में जाओगे तो अच्छे शिकोरे भी मिलते हैं, those mud pots, you can even put in there. Okay, so look at it. This is a gorgeous, lovely phirni we are looking at. As soon as it's cooled down, आपके लिए garnish और फिर happy. Nice. So phirnis beautifully ready. Now it's time to garnish them. So I'm actually grating some badams on this. तो उसको हम बिल्कुल बारीक चॉप कर सकते हैं, आप इसे ग्रेट भी कर सकते हो। फिर पिस्ता को भी हम ग्रेट कर सकते हैं, चॉप कर सकते हैं, जैसे आपकी मर्जी हो। ब्यूटीफुल। देन यू हैव थोड़े से काजू भी हम इसको ब्यूटीफुल। और फिर हम डालेंगे रोज पेटल्स, यानी कि गुलाब के पत्ते, डिहाइड्रेटेड रोज पेटल्स मार्केट में मिलते हैं। यू वांट टू ड्राई आउट सम इन योर ओवन, यू कैन इवन डू दैट एज वेल। अ ब्यूटीफुल, क्विक, फैंटास्टिक डिजर्ट इज रेडी। हमारी केसर फिरनी रेडी हो गई है।